Hello viewers, today I am going to unbox and review Easypro Universal Flexible Octopus style tripod which I bought from Amazon. Let's check whether it's worth the price. I bought this for 224 rupees. The printed MRP on the package is 999 rupees and the package contains a tripod and a mobile phone mount. The tripod and mount weighs around 100 grams and the build quality is good. If you are looking for a tripod for your DSLR camera, this won't be able to handle that much weight. But if you are looking for a small tripod for your mobile, you can buy it.